Oh.
Yeah! High five!
Get off his way!
Yeah! Oh, go! Whoa!
How's it going, you scandalous?
What did you just call me?
Hello, and welcome to the 10-Minute Power Hour. My name's Dan. This is my good friend Aaron, who is not in any way scandalous.
You can't say that on the show. It'll get bleeped. Yes.
We can't say. What are we doing today?
Well, Dan, have you ever watched a movie before?
Nope.
It's a picture that moves.
That's why they call them movies.
So when you see a moving picture, they don't use the sounds that are really there. So they record those sounds in other places, and then they put them in the movie. It's called foley.
This is actually something I always wanted to do. I don't know how you get this job.
Excuse me, movies.
Pardon me, Mr. Movies.
Excuse me, The Departed.
Is that why we've got this beautiful mic and also Johnny?
Yes. Hi, Johnny.
Hey, man.
Hey.
What will you be doing here?
I am here to help you record your Foley and
That's awesome.
put it to the footage.
So there's 3 rounds, and you'll make all of the sound effects. Yay!
Oh! And it's that easy.
Whoa! Okay. All right. I love a little geology in my coffee.
So here's the basic list of things.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's your table of stuff. Here we go.
It does have like a.
Going into a boat. Those are kind of frantic footsteps.
Yeah.
I want to, for the rope, I want it to be like, whoosh, whoo, whoosh,
Yeah.
you know?
And I want him to say stuff like, I'm gonna go get paid twice as much as you for the same job. Are they gonna have a nice picnic in this? Wait, oh. What nice fish, just the thing for baby, he'll be so hungry. Are you gonna do her voice? I think you should.
I could, yeah.
Yeah.
What nice fish, just a thing for baby, he'll be so hungry.
All right.
That's great.
That's it, okay. We can do it.
So, we got stuff like man's footsteps on dock.
Okay, so I guess that would be the red shoes, right?
Yeah.
Because those others feel awfully.
Well, these are both women's shoes.
So they are.
Okay, that's kind of an
Is he a
empty
horse?
foot. No. You want to, yeah, you definitely want to like simulate having a foot.
Yeah. Johnny, do you recommend, since they were walking at the same time, should we get the Foley of the walking at the same time, or can you just lay them in?
Oh, we can layer that for sure.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. The best part is just make sure you get some good, clean audio of it without talking, and that'll
You got it.
be the best. Godspeed.
Clomp, clomp, clomp. Aaron, put the shoes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 18 little steps.
Okay, sure.
Hold on, I have to. This.
Oh, is this intense?
No, it's got like a thunderous sounding second hand. Right?
3, 2, 1, action.
Nice.
All right.
Okay. Good work.
That was awesome. That is the most fumbly walk I've ever heard. Is she
All right,
drunk?
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
My tootsies don't fit in here. They're too large.
What's next?
We got woman steps into boat, sits down and puts items down. Okay, I got a bag.
Okay. Here, hand me that Lego box.
She's carrying around Legos with her.
Okay. I'm in the boat.
Solid gold.
That's gonna sound really good. What we got next? What we got next?
That's a basket with a baby in it.
Celery.
For the baby?
Bag of celery. Here, you take the baby.
Okay.
Okay. I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes.
Thank you, Father.
Let me just unhook this and get in the boat. Man pushing dock with paddle.
Oh, skateboard. That's great.
Skateboard's good. Oops. Too early.
Single paddle row in water.
Yes.
Here's your water bowl, bro.
Now we can use the spoon.
Very gentle. Very gentle.
Print it. We got it. Next.
Kinda, hey.
My pants are very wet now. It was worth it. Is it okay that the electrical equipment is wet?
Yeah.
Is that our new paddle?
What's happening?
Don't worry about it. Okay, man stands up and steps out of boat onto shore.
As it turns out, it just sounds like a bag.
It's like a bag of sugar. That's his little footsteps.
That guy's got some cakes.
And you can move them around as it.
Look at that. The whole bakery's open. Man grabs basket and places it on beach. What was our basket? Oops. One more time.
That was great. I don't know.
Okay.
There's the ringing of the bowl. My favorite event in Spain. All right.
That one felt great.
I buy that.
There's sugar everywhere.
It's okay. That's how we get ants.
Yeah. Finally, we can have ants.
Women stands up holding fish. Question mark, question mark, question mark?
Yeah, really go for it. She's tossing those fish around like crazy.
Man, this is awesome.
What a nice fish! Just to think for baby, he'll be so hungry.
That's it for number one.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you. That felt really good. We make the most wobbly sounding movie.
This one you don't get to see the video for.
Okay.
No
Okay.
Vague sound effects.
Okay, cool. Ripping. Do we have paper? We're both gonna rip?
Hell yeah. Double intensity. On 3.
Okay.
1, 2.
Why'd you say 3 when we're recording Foley?
Oh, good point. Solid. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3. Wink.
Yes.
And on wink we go.
Yes, yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Handing wood off from one person to another. Just join me on a Friday night, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for the wood.
Something slamming down. 5 different versions.
What do you mean something slamming down? Is it metal? Is it... okay.
5 different versions. We need a squish. Do we have a squish thing? Oh yeah, dip that in the water.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, I trust your
I've stood.
I trust your vision.
Okay. One last one.
All right.
On to the next. Quite a windy day.
Hitting something repeatedly. All right, Dan, close your eyes.
Hold on. You wanna tell me to move my leg before you wring something out on
I
top
didn't
of
mean
it?
to. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. It's like gross bone crunching,
Yeah,
you know?
that was terrific.
Right? Checking sturdiness. The f does that mean? Well, it's pretty sturdy, I guess. Okay. Yeah, kind of sturdy.
Nice wood. Man hitting the ground and tumbling.
All right, well, let's just get it live. I'm tumbling. Oh. How's that sound?
I think you got it. Challenge 2 complete. Well done. Well done. That is suffering for your art, man. Way to go.
You get to see it once through,
Okay.
and then you can prep, and then you have one take to do all the sound effects for it.
And then footsteps. And then moving
And
it.
then jump.
Cranking. Jump.
Getting faster. Getting faster. Jump to jump. 1, 2, 3,
Whoa.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
And then, oh, he grabs the thing. Oh.
Oh, sploosh.
Oh, God.
The stunts on this are crazy.
Oh.
Man.
And a motorcycle.
Wow, okay. and then they chase after him.
How do we get like a chugga? Okay, so we got the train going chugga.
Can I have the water bowl, please?
Water bowl.
Oh, let's just use this.
For the gigantic deluge of water coming out?
And we can't talk during this either.
Oh, okay.
Can't be like, okay, now's the.
And
Yeah.
Oh wait, motorcycle.
Yes.
I'll just do it.
Okay, great. All right, I'll be the man running.
Okay. I'll be the train and the.
Yeah.
And then I'm the thing moving.
What about the hatch as he pops out?
I'll just do it. That's it. There it is. Okay.
3, 2, 1, action.
Get off the train! Oh God! The hell? The hell's going on? That's pretty good though, right?
I think we got it. I think we nailed it.
All right.
All right.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you. And we're back. It's later. Johnny edited a bunch of stuff.
Johnny
Way to go.
Manchild, everybody.
Johnny Manchild.
I call him Mr. Manchild.
Thank you. How long did this take you to put together?
45 minutes.
Wow, not bad, man.
And it only took us about 45
It took
minutes.
us an hour. All right, let's see what we got.
Ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
I've got the baby. Oop, there it goes. Okay. Thank you, Father. Come in the boat. Don't worry about it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Kick my fucking bag. What a nice fish. Just a thing for baby. He'll be so hungry.
Yeah!
All right.
Wow.
Okay.
It looked so legit.
Okay. 10 points to us.
Yeah.
I love this one.
Okay.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for the wood. Well, it's pretty sturdy, I guess. Okay. Yeah, kind of sturdy. I'm tumbling.
Wow. That was really good. Yeah. Really used every part of the buffalo on that one. That was really good.
That's really funny.
Oh, okay. Oh, here we go.
This one's your favorite? Get off his train! Oh God! The hell? The hell's going on?
Wow. That was really fun. It was so much more accurate than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah, really impressive. Patreon.com/GameGrumps. Do you like ASMR? If you do, you're gonna love it. If not,
It's like I see like a bag of sugar and I'm like, that's a bag of sugar.
Yeah.
But then you hear a bag of sugar and you see a bag in the thing and you're like, oh, that's a bag.
yeah, your brain just like fills in the gaps.
Yeah.
That was really fun and really interesting. And we will see you next time on the 10-minute Power Hour.
Oh, I guess
There's
that's
nothing
it.
else to do. Goodbye.
Oh.